Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Sunday, June 6, 2021. It is 1:22 and 22 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. New findings offer improved therapy of early stage BRCA mutation-associated breast cancer. Date June 4, 2021. Source, Houston Methodist. A new treatment has potential to improve the outcomes for patients with hereditary BRCA mutations and high-risk early-stage breast cancer. These results represent the first time a PARP inhibitor has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of breast cancer, returning in high-risk patients following completion of standard chemotherapy, surgery, and radiation therapy. Olympia represents a successful global collaboration among leading international academic breast cancer research groups, cancer genetics experts, the National Cancer Institute, and pharmaceutical industry partners to evaluate the efficiency and safety of olaparib to address the unmet need for improved therapy for individuals with high-risk BRCA mutation-associated early breast cancer. The Olympia trial was a tremendous effort, recruiting 1,836 patients from 420 centers across 23 countries. A randomized double-blind phase 3 trial Olympia was designed to test the efficiency of the poly-ADP ribose polymerase PARP inhibitor drug olaparib, and showed that it significantly improved invasive and distant disease-free survival when given for 52 weeks following the completion of such standard therapies as chemotherapy, surgery, and radiation. Patients were recruited from June 2014 through May 2019, and patients who consented to participate were randomly assigned to receive olaparib or a placebo. After 3 years following initiation of treatment with olaparib, 85.9% of patients were alive and free of recurrent invasive breast cancer and new second cancers, compared with 77.1% of patients who received a placebo. During this same time frame, 87.5% of patients receiving olaparib were alive and free of distant metastatic disease, compared to 80.4% on the placebo. While olaparib was also associated with 27 fewer deaths than those on placebo, researchers say longer blinded follow-up is required to assess the impact of this therapy on overall survival. What is certain, says researchers, is that germline BRCA1 and BRCA2 sequencing is becoming an important biomarker for the selection of systemic therapy in early breast cancer. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.